In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Trello with Google Sheets. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive into it. Syncing Trello with Google Sheets can really enhance your productivity, allowing you to visualize your project data in a whole new way. So let's get started with the first step. First things first, you need to log into your Trello account at Trello.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific board you want to sync with Google Sheets. This board is where you'll manage all your tasks and updates, making it essential for your sync. After selecting your board, look for the Power-Ups option in the top menu. Click on Power-Ups, and that will open up a whole new world of functionalities for your Trello board. You'll want to select the option that says Add Power-Ups. Here you'll come across a search bar. This is where the magic happens. Type in Google Sheets into that search bar and keep an eye out for the Google Sheets plus Trello two-way sync powered by Unito. Once you find it, go ahead and click on the Add button. A confirmation will pop up asking if you're sure you want to enable this power-up on your board. Click Yes to confirm, and just to be safe, you might need to confirm that action once more by clicking Add again. Great job! You've now enabled the sync power-up. Now for the next step. It's time to authorize the connection, which is crucial for data transfer between the two platforms. So, look for the Unito sync icon that should now appear on your Trello board. Clicking on this icon will take you one step closer to syncing your data. You'll see an option that says Authorize. Click on this, and you'll be prompted with a new window that requests permission for Trello and Unito to connect. This is an important security step, so go ahead and click Allow. This will grant the necessary permissions to link your Trello board with Google Sheets. Once you've completed these steps, the fun part is about to begin. You can start customizing what data gets pulled into Google Sheets and how it's updated. You can set things like which columns or cards you want to sync, along with settings for how often updates happen. This is pretty flexible, and it allows you to manage your data flow in a way that works best for you. After you've set up your preferences, just save the settings, and your Trello board is officially synced with Google Sheets. You'll be amazed at how easily you can track your projects, analyze data, and manage tasks without having to copy everything manually. And there you have it. Syncing Trello with Google Sheets opens up a new realm of organization. It helps streamline your workflow and gives you a clear visual representation of everything you're working on. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video for more handy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy syncing.